So this is the experiment number 1, staining and visualization of mitochondria by Janus Greenstein. So in this we will see about introduction, material, procedure, observation, results and precautions. So firstly we will see the introduction. Do you know which organelle is referred to as pulse of the cell? It is the mitochondria. The major function of the mitochondria is ATP production by oxidative phosphorylation. ATP is the energy currency of the cells. Recall the structure and function mitochondria that you learned in your 12th class. The complete breakdown of carbon to carbon dioxide also takes place in the mitochondria by citric acid cycle. The oxidation of biomolecule is accompanied by the production of NADH and FeDH2. The reduced pyridine and flavin nucleotides are in turn reoxidized by mitochondria electron transport chain, which called as the ETC. The ETC is organized in the inner mitochondrial membrane into 5 complexes, namely complex first NADH ubiquinone oxidoreductase, complex 2 succinate COQ reductase, complex 3 COQ cytochrome C reductase, complex 4 cytochrome C oxidase, and complex 5 ATP synthesis, and the complex 6 is reoxidized by reducing oxygen to water. This is the end product of the electron transport chain cycle. Now we will see the Janus green B belongs to the phenizines group of the dyes. It is dark green or dark brown or dark black in color. It is a basic cationic vital dye that is used to stain mitochondrial living cells without killing them. यानी ये जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की लिविंग सेल है उसको किल नहीं होने देती और उसको स्टेन करती है. The Janus green B is chemically diethyl sapranine azodimethyl aniline and it is oxidized to become color. जब ये ऑक्सीडाइज होती है तो ये हमें कलर दिखाती है. The cytochrome C oxidase help to maintain the dye in an oxidized state in the mitochondria. In its oxidized state, it is bluish green in color. The stain is permeable and colorless before oxidation. Therefore, the rest of the cell is colorless due to its reduction to a leuco compound, facilitating visualization of mitochondria as a bluish green spot in the colorless cytoplasm. तो जो इस स्टेन से जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की सेल है वही स्टेन होती है और साइटोप्लाज्म कलरलेस रहता है. देखो हमें जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है वो ब्लूइश ग्रीन स्पॉट होता है. So now we see the expected learning outcome at the end of lab exercise. You will be able to prepare a stain slide for visualization of mitochondria and visualize and describe the structure of mitochondria. Now we'll see the materials required. First is the toothpick, ethanol, Janus green stain, phosphate buffer saline, slide, Pacho pipette, cover sleeve, watch glass, filter paper, distilled water and microscope. Procedure. Take out the toothpick, soak in 70% ethanol and wipe with the tissue paper. तो हमें पहले टूथपिक लेनी है, उसको 70% इथेनॉल में सोक करना है, उसके बाद उसको टिश्यू पेपर से पोंछ लेना है. Gently scrape off inner side of cheek with the rounded end of the toothpick. तो जो इनर जो है चिक सेल वो हमें स्क्रैप करनी है with the help of toothpick. Or uniformly spread the cheek cells which contain the mucosal cells, oral mucosal cells that have come onto the toothpick to form a thin smear, leaving it for a few minutes for air drying. In this way, cells do not wash away during the processing. Add a 2 to 3 drops of Janus green to the smear and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. The slide is washed with PBS to remove the excess stain. तो पहले जब हम उस पर थिन स्मीयर अप्लाई करेंगे तब हमें उसको थोड़ा एयर ड्राई होने देना है क्योंकि वो वॉश नहीं होनी चाहिए सेल, क्योंकि फिर बाद में हम उस पर जानस ग्रीन बी डालने के बाद उस पर क्या डालने वाले हैं पीबीएस टू रिमूव द एक्सेस स्टेन. Place the cover slip on the slide with few drop of the PBS. The slide is ready for the microscopic observation. The procedure is represented below as a flow chart. Firstly, spread a chick cell on a clean slide. Wait for 5 minutes. After that, add a 2 to 3 drops of the Janus green V on slide. Then again wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that place the cover slip on a stain slide with a few drop of PBS. Observe stain slide under the microscope. Now we'll see the observation and result. Under the microscope, small round or bacteria-like bodies are visible in the cytoplasm. They are mitochondria and that are bluish in color and concentrated near the nucleus. तो जब हम माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो हमें बैक्टीरिया लाइक एक बॉडी दिखेगी साइटोप्लाज्म में ब्लूइश कलर की, ब्लूइश ग्रीन कलर की, तो वो क्या है, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया है. तो ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर हमें दिखता है. दिस इज द सेल मेम्ब्रेन, कलरलेस साइटोप्लाज्म in which this greenish color cell present calls the mitochondria which is present near the nucleus. The systematic diagram of human chick cell mitochondria stained with the Janus green V. Precaution: slide and cover slip to be used should be clean and free from dust and fingerprint. The material and fluid should be placed centrally on the slide. The amount of fluid should be appropriate. With too much of the fluid, cover slip will move around with, and with too little of fluid, there is high likelihood of trapping air bubble. The excess mounting fluid should be removed carefully from the side of the cover slip using the edge of blotting paper, and place the cover slip gently to prevent trapping of air bubble. And you should keep the specimen moist with the water.